Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to actually make use of this. Okay, how to set up this machine. All right, can you see that this is a microblading machine? So we're going to set it up here. So this is it. This is how the machine look like. All right, so I'm going to show you how you can actually set it up and it will be ready for use. All right, now it comes with a charger. There's the charger. Okay, um this is the machine. Okay, it comes with two batteries. Okay, two batteries. So what this means is that if you don't have light to plug it in, you can use your battery. Okay, so you have two options here to use this machine. So I'm going to use the battery. So what I'm going to do now is to open the machine. So I'm going to open it up like this. And you see what I'm doing? This is it. It's open. So I'm going to bring my battery to fix in here. So let me get my battery. You're going to drop this part of it. You're going to drop it. Let's drop it somewhere. Now I've gotten the battery. I'm going to open the battery. You're going to open the battery too. So open the battery. Open the battery. Alright. Now you're going to keep this side. You're not making this on this side. So this is the side you're going to be fixing to this machine. So this is how you fix it here. So you fix it. Alright. It's already on. It's already on. It's vibrating. So if you want to off it, you press it at the button here. Alright, you can see the black button here. It's for on and off when you fix the battery. Okay, so now this is there's a place you can, okay, oh, I'm coming back to that. So this place is where you're going to fix your cartridge. So just get it and fix it here. I already have my cartridge that I'm using, so I'm going to fix it here. So you fix in your cartridge at the mouth. So this is how you do it. So this machine is now ready to work. Now you can adjust the needle. This cartridge, you can adjust it from here. There's a wheel. This round place here, you can adjust it from here. You want it to come out more, or you want it to come in. So you adjust by moving this, or you go like this. If you go like this, the needle comes out the more. Okay, this is where you can adjust the needle from. So this is where you can on it from. Alright, so now this is the battery part. Okay, if you don't want to use the battery, you can plug it. So now we're going to remove the battery. I'm removing the battery now. So this is it. I'm going to attach this to. I'm going to attach the extreme of this machine back to it. Okay, this is how the machine looks like. This is how it looks like. Now if you want to adjust the speed, this is where you adjust the speed from. You can see from here. You can see there is right up here, in here. Okay, we have 3000. So it's either you move like this or you move like this. So whichever speed that you want it to be at, you just move it to. So the highest speed the lowest speed we have here is 22,000. That's the lowest, 22,000. Then if you want to move it to the highest, you move it this way. You move it until you get to the extreme. So the highest speed we have here is 35,000. So you can leave it at the middle. You can leave it at the medium speed. Okay, when you want to use it, you can leave it at the medium speed. So this is how to adjust the speed. Now if you don't want to use the battery, you want to plug it, all you need to do is just to bring your charger and put it here. Put it here. Then you plug. You put it at the head of the charger. Then you plug to your socket. But if you don't want to plug to your socket, you can as well. If you have your power bank, you can make use of your power bank. Alright, so if you want to use your power bank, you don't need to put this head of the charger. So you just have to get the power bank and put it here. Once you put it, you're going to press this button here. This button here is for on and off. So once you plug it in, you press it. You can see the machine is on now. You can see it's on. So when you want to off it, just press it. It goes off. That's when you want to use the charger. So you know what and how you want to use it. So anyone you prefer, you go with it. Alright. Now this is how to fixing this machine. So if you have any question about the whole process, drop it in the comment section and I'm going to answer every of your questions. Until then, please do well to like, share and comment. I will see you on my next one. Bye.